Hi everyone, I will be preparing jerk turkey, a holiday favorite, especially Thanksgiving for the family. I do not have all the steps, but I trust that what I've prepared here, that you will garner some insight. This video is part of a collaboration with Penny's Lifestyle and the Grace Life DIY Home Decor channel. So I'm gonna allow it to boil, and then I'm gonna add the dry ingredients, and then I'll add the herbs after. So I've already washed them, and this is my ingredients that I'll be using: fresh herbs, a little bit of salt, a little bit of sugar, and I give God thanks for my ancestors. Call this pimento. The other name is allspice. Could have added Scotch bonnet pepper, but I didn't have that on hand. Phase the jerking of the turkey, and there we have Chef Daddy in action. Jerk turkey on the grill.